Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how to disable comments everywhere in WordPress website. So if you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe our channel and inspire us for making more videos. So let's start our video. First of all, we are going to our WordPress dashboard. I hope you already logged into WordPress dashboard. Here you can see this is my WordPress dashboard, and I hope you already logged into our WordPress dashboard. Okay, now we will disable the comment section here. So for that, we are going to our WordPress dashboard, and at the left side from the plugin section, click on add plugin. From the add plugin, we will add a plugin here, disable comments. Okay, now you can see here there are several plugins here, but we will install the first one here. Now activate it. Okay, our plugin already installed and activated here, and from the plugin section we will go to our settings, plugin settings, and we can disable the comments if you want to disable the comments in post, page or media section, or we can disable the comments everywhere in WordPress website. So we are making it everywhere. So we don't want people make comments in any part of our WordPress website. We are disable that for everywhere. And now we are going to our WordPress blog section, and we are reloading it. Okay, here you can see there is no comment section here, and we will go to our WordPress dashboard and go to our comments. Okay, here you can see comments are closed. So that's all the video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.